China's top 30 solar manufacturers are said to have signed a self-disciplined production agreement. With the agreement in place, Chinese solar firms could stick to production quotas in the near future. The move has been forced on them due to low prices in 2024. But what impact will it have on Indian solar manufacturers, and why should they worry? Solar modules come through an extended supply chain that starts with polysilicon, ingots, followed by solar wafers, and finally solar cells and solar modules. Until now, India has managed to achieve self-sufficiency only in solar modules and hopes to achieve solar cell sufficiency by 2025. It will continue to depend on Chinese makers of solar wafers. Thus, a rise in the prices of cells or wafers will lead to a rise in import costs in India as well. A price rise that is too sharp could lead to pressure on the government to relook import duties, which currently protect Indian module makers from Chinese competition. Higher prices could lead to a slowing of India's solar capacity additions and targets for 2030. Thus, the government will always face the challenge of balancing manufacturer needs versus consumer prices and national targets.